Ako si Molero Mark Rafael, 22 years old. Nag-aaral ako sa Batangas State University, isa akong estudyante. Ang kinukuha kong kurso, Bachelor of Arts in Communication 2101. Kasulukuyan ako nakatira sa Matubong Kailian, Batangas. Kilala ko doon bilang Jungkak. At ito ang aking kwento.
Para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ako ay mahilig magpinta, makinig ng musika, kahit anong genre. Mahilig akong sumayaw. At mahilig din ako maglaro ng basketball, meaning to say, bola. Mahilig ako maglaro ng bola. Hindi yung puso mo.
Para sa inyong kaalaman, wala akong oras sa usapang relasyon. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin akong aksyon. Kahit ako'y kumikita na, hindi pa rin ito ang aking solusyon. Ang aking komunikasyon ay malawak. Philly 103 bumubulwak. Pasulat, pasalita, paglutas, sa tao'y tumatatak. Meron akong 4 na mukha ng grado. 1, 2, 3, minsan pasado. Ayoko maging mapagpanggap, pero nagiging delegado. At ito ang aking music video.
Blanco. Without a doubt, I get that work in the drought. You know it's blood in, blood out. This ain't no joke. If you run up, you get smoked. Or catch a blade and get poked. The streets got no hope. If you scared, pray to the Pope. Family fed by the dope. If you ain't living, you won't understand me. Banana boat with them packs in Miami. I get them and go. Cartel ties on the low. DEA knocked on my door and deported my pop. I wonder who gave them the drop. When I find out, it get popped. My Yodi's gon' slide. When they do, you won't survive. Like Popeyes, we leaving them fried. Don't play with my bread. If you ain't heard what I said, then we go off with his head. Oh yeah, yeah. Snuck through the back with the yeah, yeah. You know we got packs of the yeah, yeah. Big tits, but what's better is a yeah, yeah. You more like no, I'm like yeah, yeah. My Yodi got locked for the yeah, yeah. Bell him out, I got stacks of the yeah, yeah. New foreign, I'ma pull up in that yeah, yeah. Catch me at the top, oh yeah, yeah.
Blueface, baby.
Yeah, yeah.
I gotta keep a chopstick in my top. I just copped a house bigger than the cops in the